Oh! Yeah, baby! Hey, I'm out here in Zimbabwe right now, living my best life while my business continues to make millions and millions of dollars without me. And it comes down to three things: having the right marketing, the right processes, and the right people. I've got the best marketing in the world just because I've been doing this for 10 years. But here's the deal. A wise man learns from his mistakes. A brilliant man will learn from another man. So here's my offer to you. I'll give you my marketing campaigns, show you exactly how I run my business, A to Z, and I'll even go ahead and come into your business 3 times a week and help you implement everything on Zoom so you can't screw it up. But don't take my word for it. Listen to some of the testimonials down below. Matt, tell them, how much money have you made since being a part of the cartel?
This year alone, I've made $4 million in my wholesale business. And before meeting Nick, I was just doing low 6 figures, like maybe 200K or so a year. And so meeting Nick and getting his education was life-changing for me and my family. Just do it, jump right in. You won't regret it. You will regret not doing it though, so make sure you do it.
What's up guys, I'm Chris. I'm based out of Charlotte, North Carolina. I just joined the program of January of this year, so 9 months ago. I've closed 500K. By the end of the year, I'm projected to close just around $1 million. Man, like I said, $500,000 closed, $1 million projected by the end of the year. I'm gonna double that next year, doing $2 million and a Lambo. And sky's the limit from there. I would 1000% recommend Nick Perry's 7-Figure Cartel. I would never, ever recommend someone that I'm not personally being mentored by. Nick has helped me scale my business in 9 months faster than I would ever have been able to do by myself. So I would absolutely advocate getting into the 7-Figure Cartel.
There's this extra pep in your step when you know you have these guys that have an answer to every single question you have. And as soon as I locked in with them, I mean, we've been doing north of $200,000 consistently. I mean, obviously you have ups and downs, but I mean, that's a part of the business. But I'm an immigrant with an accent, and I'm doing it because of these men's help. Just jump in, man. Don't play yourself. All right. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Brandon.
And we've got a lot more of those where those came from. But here's the thing. I'm only looking for a few people that are ready to take their business to the next level. So if that sounds like you, you're ready to actually get to millions of dollars, stop being stuck, click the link below to apply. We'll see you on the inside.